Ake sithathe ithuba kanjalo ukuthi sinibingelela uMadlala wenkulumo ephusileyo. uMadlala uDaddy Mncangoshe. Isihlungu esibhekene naso lapha ngani zakwethu is a disaster. Hello Mentos. Sawubona Madlala Mncangoshe, sawubona Bhodlam, losisa. But hey man, I'm pretty ndabebele for manje. Sibhekene negeme but omdala no. Yo. Ngimuhle. Awu. Lapho Thando. Qawe uthini manje? Why are you glowing? Hey, inkinga boss lady. Inkinga. What do you use? Isithelo. Isithelo is the key. Yabona isithelo. Cindezela kabuhlungu ngani zakwethu. What is that? Send location ngizokhombisa mina ukuthi isithelo. Isithelo mfowethu. Usicindezele mawala ngani zakwethu. Tshela mina ukuthi soba njani. You get it? If you don't get it, we forget about it. Hey, come on. I'm serious, Nahami. It is Tehelo. Nesnemes me, DM me. I'll tell you it's Tehelo. What is Tehelo? Okudinda mina, ganza wethu. This is not a filter, good people. This is not a filter. It is Tehelo. Nah, gosh. Otherwise, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Afternoon rather. 25 minutes after 1. I sent you a DM. I'll check just after the live. All right. Otherwise, today is the 8th of July, 2026. It's Katsako listen to get yourself a car. Ngonyaka 2026. If you want to try something out and check if you can qualify for a car, don't hesitate. Most definitely can help you get a mod. Should see healthy, less of style. So yeah. Do you have a trade in? Do you trade in rather? I want an A45. Yes, we do trade-ins. So if you're looking to purchase a vehicle, feel free. Here's my WhatsApp number. In fact, just WhatsApp me there and let's talk business. Oh gosh. Na. See you again. That's Ngizwe's song. Okay, wait. Skincare product is Tehelo. Esiphakathi nensimu. I'm in Joburg. No stress. Just WhatsApp me. Here's my WhatsApp number, ne? Just WhatsApp me. Ngizokfonela after the live, then we'll have a conversation shortly. No. Polo B, what's happening? Usinayo imali put wena awunayo. Wena mzamo wethu awudile ne-customer lapho. Madla bhuti. Hawu uthanda ukuxaba kunjani? Ngicela uzothatha imoto phela manje, thenga imoto manje. But umdala, what's happening? Imagine me ekuseni when you're listening to a radio, driving to work. Imoto ayithenge kimi, and you're listening to me eredweni. Yabo, ngaze wethu kanti anifuni yini mina ngipawupe? Don't you guys want to see me up there? One day you see me on a billboard. Oh my God, Case Makesana, umadleka, gosh. Awungiviseli lezo zinto bethu. You must sit down and think about it. Imagine you're listening to East Coast Radio. Bese ngithi boom! Ganza lethu. Badlewa inkulumo ezakhayo. Gosh. Ah man, oh man. If you're self-employed, I just need your 6 months bank statement, ID, and driver's license, and we get you imoto oyifunayo. Averaging, you should be making 15,000 upwards a month. Yeah, well. So here's the number on the screen right there. Take the number, WhatsApp me. Let's get you driving today. Case Makesana. So, hey, lapho zondi ngani yakwethu. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Oh, afternoon rather. So, mfowethu, don't waste your time. Come get yourself imoto. You know? Futhi yazi kumnandi kanjani yola ndicherry linethi izulu. Yes, inga request uthi no ngeza sona sami ngilinde. Nawe siswami uthi baby I'm feeling cold, can I come to you? Uvela ethi okay mama ngiyeza ngizok-escort ngizokulanda ngeyami. You'll just follow me with your car. Yayizwa leyo ndaba leyo. Majobe, it's a beautiful afternoon. What's happening? Yayizwa leyo nto leyo mfowethu. Nawe so you'll be there umlandela ngemumva, and you guys will be tailing each other to tell each other endlini. You understand what I'm saying? So if you don't get it, forget about it. So yeah, ilapho nje mfethu. It's a good thing. Yebo. Landela umuntu wakho ngemoto yakho naye ehamba ngemoto yakhe. And you guys be cruising like this, man, on the road. Yeah, it's alone ndaba leyo. Philile Kwala. Thank you so much for the follow. Come get yourself a moto. I'm here to assist you in terms of finance, in terms of buying car cash. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. As see live, then I will answer and tender to all those beautiful questions that you guys have for me this afternoon. Whichever car that you're looking for, Case Makesana, I'm here to help you get imoto yako. K Shimba or Klimba. It's a beautiful more afternoon. Yeah, the JAC T9 Super Lux and a sunroof. That's the top of the range one. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So yesterday I was with my old man. Ethi yabona mfana wami ithe kusuyalazi. Ngithi phela ngifundela nje mina. Uthi yeah, but yabona mathiwa mina nginika imoto yakho ngihamba ngayo la eThekwini. I might get lost, but give me a truck. Code 14 law driver. Now it will be simple. So I'm telling him, I will struggle driving a Grand i10 because I'm so used to driving imoto enkulu. You know, car getting the motor enkulu. Well, ubaba nje mfethu eqala ukuthenga imoto wathenga imoto enkulu, then he fall in love with Ford and he's been driving Ford from a Ranger to a Ranger, you understand? So imoto encane bethu ngiza ngiphephele kwi-venue because it's an SUV. But apart from that, mfethu imoto encane yabo. Zoe, what's happening? So imoto encane seyizomnika i-challenge. Yabo. So yeah, rather get yourself a JAC also. Good. Ni right guys. Bafos. Good right, but. Nazona come. Once again, but oh, but I mean, the manager actually see this in the jungle. Unfortunately, me, from my side, one for them. Somebody can check with the guys, and I get out office there. Check it on. Somebody they have a spot, something like this. Thank you. All right, let's get back to it. Yeah. Ngizifikele ngemoto yami kumuntu wami oyothinta ibele ngiphinde ngijiye ngemoto yami ngibuyele emuva. That's what I'm talking about, man. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Phumzile Dlamini. Yabona. Ufuna umthintise ingcengce nje ayithi athi mfonyo ngabeli kathathu mfethu. Then he's going to have a beautiful day. Imagine mfethu. Imagine this. You are a girl. Noma we out. You are at work. Noma wena sisi usemsebenzini. Uyafonela umuntu wakhe ethi my days is horrible. But listen, I'm coming there. Udrive imoto yakho ithenge kimi, uyadriver kuye, yabona. Mawufika lapha kuyena, uthi ngila ngaphandle, aphume. Uthi hayi no, angikulethele kodwa ngenza ukuthi uthinta ibele noma uqamele nje kulo for a while. Yabona mfethu. Naye mfethu wathi uyabona nje mfethu. Then he goes back to work and rejuvenated with extra energy, man. So that's what I'm talking about, man. Get yourself a beautiful car. Kiss my kesana, give me vetu. I'll assist you. Get moto oifunayo. Yabo. Same day delivery. We don't waste time here. Vetu kuti. I vetu mina. Yabona those processes amadala ukuthi ufake application namhlanje kuphele 4 days or a month to get actually you get a car. No, asebenzi leyo. Yabo. And I want to do the outermost outrageous thing rather. Soon and very soon. Ngavele ngivuke nje ngize la emsebenzini ngihlothi ngi-offer ngisebenze ngize ngenze yonke i-paperwork bese ngisala lapho ukuthi ngicane ngemoto yami. Yabo. Yo man, the struggle of unemployment in South Africa is hectic. Yabo. It's hectic, man. It's very hectic, and you know it pains me seeing people coming through the dealership at Mvetu. You know, I'm looking for an opportunity. Can you please assist? I'm looking for an opportunity. Can you please assist? And you wish to assist Mvetu, but manje isimo asivumi. You know, so it's bad. Otherwise, Ganza to Case Market Sana. So if you need a car, don't hesitate. In text, let's talk. Let's get you driving. Yeah, bro. Let's get you driving. Hey, man, you know some Ganza. Yabona God. Yabona. Manje ilight ayenze justice. Mangilapha ngaphandle. Lama phone lawa abantu abashutha kuba ngathi zi orange. Yazi ngefirst instance ngihlala endlini. Ngiyibuke ngithi mina hayibo. Ino zami zi orange yini kanti lutho mfethu. Ino zami nje right. Ximba. What's happening? Thank you so much for the roses. Yabona mfethu. Lozolo wena mfethu. Very clean game fan. Yabo. Very clean. Very, very clean. Yona inkwethu there. Ayikho nje futhi. Yabo. So yeah, but if you need a car, ngicela uze kumina. Yabo. Nani na. I see you again. Nani na. I see you again. Kodwa bafana ngeskin esihle bafana. Sesingayeka nje nganza ukuthi ukuthini kodwa nje abafana iskin bafana naye. Hayi bafana naye. Hayi bafana naye. Headline mfowethu top off the chart. Hey. Off the chart. Yeah, bro. Inkinga nje intshebe nganzathi ayifuni ukwehlangana. Yes, ayifuni ukwehlangana intshebe kodwa uNkulunkulu ngiyamethemba nganza kwethu. kodwa ayifuni ukwehlangana. Kodwa ngiyamathemba nikhona abazalwane. Ngiyamethemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi iyohlangana. Lithi iBhayibheli kuzohlangana. Nami ngisho njalo. Izohlangana ngani zakwethu. Nomonde noma ungahleka kodwa uThixo uyabona esemazoleni. Uyabona isimakade ukuthi nginesifiso. Yabo. Izohlangana. Otherwise, guys, let me tender to the customers. Have a beautiful afternoon. Kiss my kiss on. Say again. Don't go.